Probably, guys, you don't want certain people to see your followers and following list, or probably you don't want anyone to see your followers and following list because that's a personal info. Like you don't want to see people what you are following on Instagram. Like all you have to do, guys, to fix this problem. This is very easy, so it won't take you any time. So you want to just open your Instagram and let me show you an example first. As you can see here, guys, when I go to my friend's profile, when I click on the following, I only see like two followers. He's only following two people, but you can see here it's 71 people. Like this person is following 71, but when I click on their profile, I only see two people. So what you want to do, guys, to do the same thing, I'm going to be showing you guys step by step on how you can do this. So what my friend did, you want to click three lines in the top right, okay? Three lines in the top right, and then click settings in the top. Now, after you click on settings, you want to click on privacy, and in the top it says their account privacy, private account. You want to turn this on, and then at the very bottom click to switch to private. Now, when you make your account private, nobody wants to be able to see your followers list and following list. Some people don't want to make their whole account private. They just want to hide following and followers list from certain people. Just keep watching. I'm gonna be showing you a few solutions. Like I said, guys, as you can see here, when you turn this private, people are not going to see your followers list and following list. So that's exactly how you can. But people that are on your profile, like people that are friends with you, you want to go to that profile that you want to hide followers list and following list. For example, let's say this person. You want to click three lines in the top right, okay? And then click remove follower. This won't notify them or anything. It's not like you are blocking them. Just click on remove follower and then click remove again. And this person won't be able to see your followers list and following list. Some people want to hide followers, but they don't want to make their account private. Now you want to click three little dots in the top right and then click restrict. So when you click restrict, it's like you are limiting this person from seeing your followers list and following list and other things that you do on your Instagram. So like I said, guys, this is very easy. All you have to do, guys, is follow the steps in this video and you will be able to do that. You will be able to hide followers and following list. So hopefully, guys, this video helped you. If it does, please drop a like. Let me know in the comments if this works. If you